Hello and welcome to this video on how to install Ollama SearXNG, the free open-source privacy search engine. You can get more information about it on their website, link below. This installer is for Windows 11 and Windows Server 2022 and above. This is because it requires WSL 2.0. Let's get started. You can start by downloading the installer from the ollamafy.com website. Once you download the zip file, you'll need to extract the files to a folder on your computer and then launch the installer. You may get a warning message about the safety of the file. You'll have to bypass this and click Run anyways. We are working on fixing that. Once you launch the installer, you will be able to adjust settings like IP, port, install drive, and service account to use. Once you have your settings set, you can click Install. A prerequisite to installing this application is the Windows subsystem for Linux, WSL 2. It may ask you to reboot your computer. You can restart the installer when you get back. It'll pick up where we left off. Once you reboot, relaunch the installer, enter your settings again, and then click Install. The install may take some time depending on your hardware and internet connection, so be a little patient. The installer will download all the required software and parts it needs for SearXNG to run on your Windows machine. It may take some time. Once the install is complete, you'll see an icon for SearXNG on your desktop. Just click it and it will load up your instance of the application. You can customize a ton of settings in the Settings page. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out Ollama.com and SearXNG.com for updates.